In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Goodreads to StoryGraph using your phone. If you have a list of books saved in Goodreads and want to transfer them to StoryGraph without manually adding each one, you can do this easily. Begin by opening your Chrome browser on your phone and type in this specific link just as shown on screen. Make sure you enter it exactly. Press search, and if you're not already logged into Goodreads, it will prompt you to sign in. Once logged in, you'll see a page that includes an Export Library option. Zoom in if needed and tap on this option. Shortly after, you'll see a link labeled with the export date and time. Tap it once, and a CSV file containing your library will download to your device. Next, open the StoryGraph app. If you don't yet have books added, your library will appear empty. Tap the three lines at the top right to open the menu, then tap on Manage Account. Scroll all the way down until you find the Goodreads Import section and tap on Import Goodreads Library. This opens another page where you'll scroll again to find the Choose File option. Tap on it, select the file you just downloaded, and then tap on Import My Goodreads Library. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your data has been received and will be imported shortly. When you return to your StoryGraph homepage, your books from Goodreads should now appear, successfully transferred. This is how you can export your Goodreads library to StoryGraph directly from your phone.